Okay, according to the USDA, there is no such thing as a weed. You have cover crops, is what we call it. It does not compete with your crop. Now, true enough, if the grass gets thick enough, it'll drown out some of your crops. But if you take this grass, a cover crop, look at this. That's planted on purpose. That's a cover crop. You got clover. It puts stuff back in the ground that your plants need. If that plant's growing right here and it keeps coming back right here, it's according to the doctor, the government, it is putting stuff in the soil that the soil needs. That plant is working. Clover, nitrogen, and there's the boss right there helping it out. He's checking things out. Anyway, some of my subscribers sent me a little bump that all this stuff is taken away from your garden. No, it's not. It is not. You see this hay here, people? Them bales of hay right here? You know what that's for? They take that and they put it out here. After they mow all this down, after the crops are over with. If you look at the patches out here, that's all hay. Just grew through the hay. That hay kills those cover crops and the so-called weeds. They die, it goes back in the ground, the roots in the ground, decay out. Now you got an open, porous ground. This was solid clay 3-4 years ago. Look at it.
Yeah, watch, turn around. So he's not lying. When we started, this is solid clay. Thank you, Rooster. My rooster just showed you what once was clay. Now you can still see the clay particles. Look at that. You can tell it was once clay, but look at it now.